Well, hello folks. I finally bought a new battery for the Dixie chopper here instead of having to jump it all the time. So I'm going to slide the new battery in there. This one about one of the Walmart specials. It's kind of a weird place how they have the battery in these things. Positive was on the other side, but on the other battery the ends are the other way, so it fit a lot better. So I'm putting it on this way and hopefully that works out. Okay, we got the new battery in now. Tire's still flat, I haven't fixed that yet. Let's see if she'll, let me go get some air and we'll see if she'll crank. Yep, Miss Dixie got a flat tire. Alice, Danny. Hello? Dixie broke down. Okay, so the Dixie chopper here had a flat tire, and the tire has a hole in it, right here. So, I don't have a tube, but it's a 13 by 500, and then I got this one from the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. That is a 13.5006 inch. That is the same thing as this one, but this hole is all sloppy. So I got this piece from the weed whacker here, and that'll fit snugly into there. After a little love with it, a little alteration on that, as Jeff would say, and a bolt will fit in there. So I need to cut a piece that'll fit perfectly in there, just to get me by for today. So that's your redneck repair with Big Daddy using a weed whacker to fix your tire. So hold on a second, let me get busy here. So I got this tire for free from another YouTuber, but now this is all sloppy. So I just cut this off a weed whacker handle. So hopefully that'll fit right in there.
Hey.
I'm gonna be too long, isn't it?
Can't beat that.
Let's go cut that off.
This is a Dixie chopper.
Alright, so that piece fit in there just wonderful. So now the bolt is going to fit into that thing just like the doctor ordered here. Just like that. Beautiful. Let's put a little more of this in there. Okay, so now I'm going to camera moved over. We're going to try to put this thing on and see what it does. Got to put a little more air in this thing. It's a little low.